Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Cadillac ATS key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This straightforward task is quick, typically taking only about 2 to 3 minutes from start to finish, and will save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Pay close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Once everything is back in place, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure your new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.